Assalamu alaikum students. Today I'm going to start unit number 3 clothes on page number 34. Here are some difficult words and you have to learn these spellings. First word is protect. P-R-O pro T-E-C-T tect protect. P-R-O pro T-E-C-T protect. Wearing. W-E-A-R wear. I-N-G ing wearing. W-E-A-R wear. I-N-G wearing. Cotton rope. C-O-T-T-O-N cotton. R-O-B-E rope. Cotton rope. C-O-T-T-O-N cotton. R-O-B-E rope. Cotton rope. Blouse. B-L-O-U-S-E blouse. B-L-O-U-S-E blouse. Kimono. K-I M-O-N-O mono kimono. K-I M-O-N-O no kimono. Rayon. R-A-Y-O-N rayon. Power looms. P-O-W-E-R power. L-O-O-M-S looms. Power looms. P-O-W-E-R power. L-O-O-M-S looms. Power looms. Inuit. I-N-N-U-I-T Inuit. I-N-N-U-I-T Inuit. Traditional. T-R-A tre D-I treddy T-I-O-N-A-L traditional. T-R-A tre D-I-D T-I-O-N-A-L traditional. Diver. D-I-V-E-R diver. D-I-V-E-R diver. Stitching. S-T-I-T-C-H stitch I-N-G ing stitching. S-T-I-T-C-H stitch I-N-G stitching. Weaving. W-E-A-V-V-I-N-G wing weaving. W-E-A-V-V-I-N-G weaving. Our last word is nylon. N-Y-L-O-N nylon. N-Y-L-O-N nylon. Let's start our reading. Clothes. Clothes कहते हैं कपड़ों को. People all over the world wear clothes. Clothes protect the body from heat and cold. In some parts of the world it is very cold. People wear clothes made of wool and fur to keep warm. In other parts of the world it is hot. People wear clothes made of cotton to keep cool. Men and women wear different clothes. Students, clothes are the basic necessity of our lives. All kids, men and women wear clothes to cover and protect their bodies. Students, in our world, some countries or you can say some parts are cold, some are very cold, some are hot and some are very hot. We wear clothes according to the weather conditions, just like we wear woolen clothes, thick clothes, or clothes made of fur. We wear in winters. To keep ourselves warm, and in summers we wear light clothes, cotton clothes to keep us cool. So students, clothes save us from cold as well as heat. Our clothes. In Pakistan, you will see people dressed like this. In Pakistan, people wear different kinds of clothes according to their specific customs and traditions. In first picture, you can see the girl is wearing a uniform. In next picture, you can see a girl is wearing green loose shalwar with black kurta. In next picture, you can see a girl is wearing pink long frock. In fourth picture, the boy is wearing white shalwar with grey kurta and red printed koti. In next picture, a man is wearing blue dhoti and white kurta with white turban. In next picture, the girl is wearing brown frock with green shalwar. In next picture, a man is wearing white shalwar kameez with grey waistcoat. And in next picture, the boy is wearing white shalwar and yellow kurta. In these pictures, you can see everyone is wearing different clothes and some are wearing different types of turban. Other countries, people in other countries dress in different kinds of clothes. Students, people wear different kinds of clothes according to their country's traditions, just like you can see mostly people wear shalwar kameez in Pakistan. In our first picture, a Nigerian wearing a cotton robe. Nigerian कहते हैं नाइजेरिया के रहने वालों को. In this picture, you can see a man is wearing green cotton robe. Next is a Burmese lady in a cotton blouse and skirt. Burmese lady कहते हैं बर्मा के रहने वालों को. Burmese lady means Burmi Khatun. She is wearing a yellow cotton blouse and a yellow skirt. Next picture, a Chinese lady. Chinese कहते हैं चाइना के रहने वालों को. A Chinese lady wearing ancient traditional robe. She is wearing an ancient traditional robe. Ancient कहते हैं कदीम को और traditional कहते हैं रिवायत को या रिवायात को. In next picture, an Inuit clothes are lined with fur. In this picture, you can see a man is wearing Inuit clothes which are lined with fur. In next picture, a Japanese lady dressed in a kimono. Japanese कहते हैं जापान के रहने वालों को. This lady is wearing a kimono dress. Special clothes. Special clothes are worn by people who are doing special jobs. A dancer needs a beautiful clothes. A diver needs waterproof clothes to keep him safe. A soldier wears a helmet and strong boots. Special clothes are for those who perform a specific special jobs. In first picture you can see a dancer is performing a Sufi dance in a beautiful clothes. Next picture is about an astronaut. Astronauts are those who goes in a space. They wear a white full special dress who cover their full body. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज़ अबाउट अ डाइवर. डाइवर कहते हैं जो कि पानी के अंदर जाता है, पानी के. अ डाइवर नीड्स अ वाटरप्रूफ क्लोथ्स विच कीप्स हिम सेफ. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज़ अबाउट अ सोल्जर. Helmet and a strong boots are the part of his uniform. Cloth. Clothes are made from fabric. Fabric is usually made of cotton, wool, silk and other yarns. Cotton comes from a plant. The cotton balls are picked by hand. They are taken to a factory and spun into the yarn. The yarn is then made into different kinds of cotton fabric. Fabric कहते हैं कपड़ों को. Clothes are made of fabric. Clothes जो है वो fabric से बनता है. And what fabric is made of? Fabric is made of cotton, wool, silk and yarns. Yarn कहते हैं सूत को, धागे को. First of all, we get cotton from a cotton plant. Then they are taken to the factory and then spun into the yarn. Spun means spin करना या फिर rotate करना. And then from this yarn, different kinds of cotton fabric is ready to wear. In first picture, you can see a cotton plant. Cotton कहते हैं कपास को. And next picture, machines that make clothes are called power looms. Power looms are those machines which make clothes. Wool comes from sheep. We use wool in sweaters, blazers, etc. And where does it comes from? Wool comes from sheep. In this picture, you can see how wool is taken from sheep. Next picture is about silk. Silk comes from silkworms. Silkworms are the insects. We get silk from silkworms. Fabric is also made from chemicals. Some names you might know are rayon and nylon. Rayon and nylon are two different kinds of fabric which is made from chemicals. Here are some people working with cloth or clothes. Cloth can also be made on hand looms. Cloths are also stitched in factories. Students, here I am going to tell you about the difference of cloth and clothes. Cloth is an unstitched fabric, while cloths are stitched fabric and ready to wear. Clothes can be made from different ways, such as Number 1, clothes can be made from handlooms. Handlooms कहते हैं हाथ से बनाया हुआ कपड़ा, वो कपड़ा जो हाथ से बनता है. And second is clothes are also stitched in factories. और कुछ कपड़े ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें फैक्ट्रीज में बनाया जाता है. First picture is about stitching. In this picture you can see a tailor is stitching clothes. Stitching कहते हैं कपड़े सीने को. Next is weaving. You can see अ वुमन इज़ वीविंग क्लोथ्स. वीविंग कहते हैं बुनाई को, कपड़े की बुनाई को. इन थर्ड पिक्चर यू कैन सी अ वुमन इज़ वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स. And in fourth picture you can see a man is ironing or pressing. Ironing और pressing कहते हैं कपड़े इस्त्री करने को. Here is the end of our lesson. Here are some questions related to this lesson. Question number 1 is what kind of clothes keep us warm? किस तरह के कपड़े हमें गर्म रखते हैं? Clothes made of wool and fur keep us warm. वो कपड़े जो वुल और फर से बने होते हैं हमें गर्म रखते हैं. Next question is where does wool come from? Wool comes from sheep. वुल कहाँ से आती है? वुल comes from sheep. जो वुल हम यूज़ करते हैं वो शीप से आती है. लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ व्हाट डू यू वेयर एट स्कूल? आप स्कूल में क्या पहनते हैं? व्हाट फैब्रिक आर दे मेड ऑफ? और वो किस फैब्रिक का बना होता है, वो किस कपड़े का बना होता है? वी वेयर यूनिफॉर्म एट स्कूल फुल स्टॉप. हम स्कूल में यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं. दे आर मेड ऑफ कॉटन. और ये कॉटन का बना होता है. स्टूडेंट्स लर्न दीज क्वेश्चन. रीड दिस लेसन 5 times. Underline the difficult words, learn these spellings and learn these questions also. Allah Hafiz.